Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Cinco de Mayo and the summer is coming right up, and what is better than a delicious Margarita Pop? But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll show you how it's made.
In a bowl, mix together your lime juice, condensed milk, water, tequila, triple sec, if you would like to flavor your Margarita Pops, divide up your margarita base into 2 bowls and mix in your fruit puree. Transfer your margarita base to Dixie cups and place on a tray. Then, using a sliced lime and a popsicle stick or a spoon, place it into your base. Then, freeze for at least 5 hours or until hard.
Alright guys, so today I made mine with strawberry puree, but you can really put any fruit flavor you like. Pineapple, strawberry, coconut, mango, pretty much anything you like. Then you want to toss these or sprinkle them with a little bit of salt, just like a margarita. Alright, let's see how they taste. Tastes just like a margarita, but with a little bit of creaminess and a big punch of flavor. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!